Imagine walking in a straight line forever and ending up back at your front door. Sounds wild, but that's what everyday life could feel like if space had a Torus topology. Locally normal. No hard edges, no true center, just a cosmic loop. Here's how that would work. In a Torus universe, space is finite but unbounded. Go far enough in one direction, and you quietly wrap around to where you started. Light would do this too. So the same galaxy might appear in different spots in the sky, maybe even at different ages, because its light has taken multiple paths. Energy wouldn't just radiate away forever, it would tend to circulate. Think stable loops and repeating flows instead of one-way dissipation. Gravity would also thread through the wraparound, so matter could subtly influence itself across the torus, creating large-scale quirks you wouldn't expect in an open, infinite space. Over very long times, processes might show real cycles, cosmic seasons baked into the topology itself. But that's the thought experiment. What does the evidence say? From what we can currently measure, space looks locally flat and isotropic, same in every direction. The cosmic microwave background, the large-scale pattern of galaxies. How gravity behaves all fit a universe that's effectively flat and either infinite or so enormous that any global shape hides beyond our horizon. If we lived in a small or medium torus, we'd expect repeated patterns, like a telltale wallpaper motif in the CMB, or duplicated images of distant galaxies. So far, no convincing repeats. That doesn't make a torus unphysical. General relativity happily allows a Torus topology. The simplest reading of the data says, either flat and infinite, or a torus so large that its wraparound sits far beyond what we can see. If it's toroidal, it's probably much bigger than our observable patch, making any loops too subtle for current instruments. There's also a key distinction: the universe's global shape versus toroidal structures within it. Toroidal fields are everywhere. Planetary magnetospheres, donut-shaped plasma, infusion experiments, fluid vortices, features in biological and electromagnetic systems. So while the cosmos itself isn't known to be a torus, toroidal patterns are a very real part of nature. So what's the clear picture? Day to day, everything feels normal because on small scales, space looks flat. The data we have fits that well. A toroidal universe remains a clean, allowed possibility, but likely at scales we can't probe yet. Meanwhile, toroidal flows keep showing up in the physics we can touch and test. For me, that's the beauty here. We live in a universe that rewards careful measurement and leaves room for bold topology. Continuity feedback cycles. These ideas aren't fringe, they're foundational. If the cosmos loops, we'll need sharper eyes to catch it. Until then, flat and huge is the best map we've got. And the torus? It's a reminder to keep looking for patterns that circle back to where the answers began.